Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset an Akko keyboard. A basic reset can often resolve minor software glitches or unresponsive keys. This typically involves a simple key combination, like holding down the function key and the L key simultaneously for a few seconds. This action helps clear temporary errors and restore basic functionality without erasing your custom settings. It's a quick first step for common issues. For more persistent issues, a factory reset is often necessary. This process usually requires locating a small, recessed button on the underside of your Akko keyboard. You'll need a pointed object, such as a paper clip, to press and hold this button. Hold it down for approximately 5 to 10 seconds until you observe the keyboard's indicator lights flash, confirming the reset. This will revert your keyboard to its original factory settings. If a reset doesn't immediately fix your problem, there are a few troubleshooting steps to consider. First, ensure your keyboard is completely disconnected from all devices before attempting another reset. Sometimes, updating your keyboard's firmware can resolve underlying issues that a simple reset cannot. If problems persist after multiple attempts, it's advisable to consult your Akko user manual for model-specific instructions or contact their customer support for further assistance. After successfully resetting your Akko keyboard, you'll need to reconfigure it to your preferences. Begin by reconnecting the keyboard to your computer or device. You may need to reinstall any custom software or drivers to ensure full functionality. Don't forget to reconfigure your personalized key bindings, macros, and lighting effects. Finally, thoroughly test all keys and functions to confirm everything is operating correctly and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.